In a constantly changing reality, some events have stood out more prominently than others, making us wonder, is this the real life? Is this just virtual reality? Different news has hit different people differently. Besides exploring new concepts for the OH Plus team, I am also a massive video games fan. Hence, I thought of mixing the two together to take you through a first-hand account of what OH Plus is all about. So, here we go! OH Plus, a vertical with various definitions, to the extent that the scope sometimes becomes arbitrary. Essentially, we sell solutions beyond regular media. Without a core product, we work on briefs from the scratch. Let's take an example of my current favorite game, Splatoon 2. It's a game where you splash paint. If we had to launch this game, how would we make it OH Plus? We use 3 major attributes to come up with solutions on a brief: creativity, persistence, strategy. Eventually, the solution is designed to become OOH Plus. There is a general perception towards cracking an OH Plus deal. Get the brief, come up with an idea, impress the client, get the money, and execute the campaign. However, unique solutions require disciplines that span over sales, marketing, operations, product, and other functions, all usually managed by a single resource. In essence, we are a 360-degree vertical. And with these 360-degree efforts, we strive to hit our targets. The peculiarity of the situation arises when resources are majorly utilized to build a product or an idea, while the final assessment is done based on revenue successfully generated through those solutions, which means every challenge needs to be overcome to crack a deal and get the credit. It's not the idea that defines success, it's the money that it generated. That is why the concept of co-ownership with other teams is important to facilitate sales of innovative concepts. Successful OH Plus campaigns are a culmination of collaborative efforts. Constantly creating and nurturing new solutions makes them grow bigger with time. Take a look at Nintendo. They don't have one franchise. They have Mario, Zelda, and Pokemon. But they have not stopped and have been coming up with Super Smash Bros, Animal Crossing, Splatoon, and whatnot. In a back to normal future, celebration of normalcy would be everyone's desire. So, let's maintain our physical distances and brainstorm some ideas together. Because some ideas will definitely stick on the wall, making our future a little more colorful. As the world will switch to a different way of thinking, let's get on board. Happy flying.